Hey, God bless everybody. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful day. It's not so pretty outside right now. It's overcast and cloudy here in Brooklyn, Coney Island. But the show must go on, and I want to continue practicing my art skills. So, yesterday I did design a portrait sketch, cartoon sketch on my girlfriend, Sumi. And today I want to go ahead and continue doing the same design, the same trend. I want to start a trend, and I'm gonna go ahead and use myself as the individual person I'm gonna go ahead and do the portrait of. I'm thinking about doing a portrait of random people that I select from my followers. So if you guys are interested, hit the comments below. Let me know if you guys are interested. I'm not guaranteeing that I'm gonna do it, but I'm thinking about it, and I would love your opinion on the whole entire topic. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. I'm not gonna go ahead and continue blabbing on. Enjoy the show. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell in the bottom and subscribe to the channel so that way you get notified when new videos pop up. If you would like to go ahead and support this channel, you can always head to artbyrichard.com and pick up some really cool merch. artbyrichard.com. You could also go to my blogging site where you can learn more about me as I go ahead and share my daily living and my growth in Jesus on my blog, artbyrichie.com. artbyrichie.com. Don't worry about it. All the links are going to be in the description below. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Thank you, and God bless.